Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today I'll be making fried rice. I have my chicken, egg and onions, and I also have the vegetables. So first I'm just going to be putting the vegetables in the pan. Alright, I put the vegetables in the pan and I'm going to allow it to cook. And now then I'm going to add the onions. I'm just going to be mixing it. I added the onions as the vegetables are already melted to cook. Now I'm just going to be mixing it. For the seasoning I will be using aroma, just 1 tablespoon. Chicken stock and garlic and turmeric. Okay, now I've mixed everything. So make sure you break the rice and everything. Because I already used the rice that was cooked, so I'm just going to allow the vegetables and the chicken and the egg to mix well. And then that's it, the fried rice is going to be done. And a little bit of pepper. Because you know we love spicy food. And mix.